Losing a loved one is hard, and Hawaii's probate process can be overwhelming. We're here to guide you.
Probate is the legal process of validating a will, paying debts, and distributing an estate.
In Hawaii, it is generally required when someone passes away owning assets solely in their own name.
Probate isn't always required in Hawaii. It can be bypassed for estates under $100,000, jointly owned assets, designated beneficiaries, or property in a living trust.
Hawaii probate generally follows 7 steps: filing the petition, notifying heirs and creditors, and appointing a personal representative. Next comes inventorying assets, paying debts and taxes, distributing the remaining assets, and finally, closing the estate. Hawaii's probate process is complex. Always consult a qualified Hawaii probate attorney. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Mahalo for watching our guide on the Hawaii probate process. Please like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments below. Aloha!